guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Srishti Shinde and I make makeup related, skincare related videos. So today I created this brown tone makeup look, and if you guys interested how I created this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And I'm so sorry I don't post much on YouTube right now, as because of I focusing on one platform right at single time, but now I'm gonna focus on my YouTube channel as well, and I'm gonna post more videos every single week on YouTube as well. So stay tuned and follow my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post any video you will get notified. I post on Instagram every single day, and follow me on Instagram as well. So let's start this video. So first we're gonna moisturize our face. I'm using Emulene moisturizer dry skin treatment. I bought this from Amazon. It's very good for dry skin, and I have a dry skin. I get patches, dry patches easily. That's why, and this moisturizer keeps me hydrated for a long time. And it's budget friendly, easy, and it's very light for summers. It's not greasy. That's the best thing. I'm gonna use this moisturizer on my face, on my neck. I will give links to all the products in my description box, so don't forget to check the box. Massage the moisturizer into your skin, and so that makeup doesn't look patchy, and moisturizing your skin is very important, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, combination, any type of skin. So I moisturize my skin, and this is my skin after the moisturizer. It literally gives my face such a great glow, and I really love that. It makes my skin very hydrated and looks great. After that, you can use any foundation. Dry skin people use a good moisturizer before any foundation, so that your skin doesn't look patchy and makeup doesn't look very weird on your skin. Please use moisturizer. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer, as it moisturizes my skin plus prime and gives my skin such a great glow. And it's like a strobing cream, and in budget. I'm gonna show you how great it is. Just
so good for dry skin people, and prime your skin, it moisturizes, and it gives such a great glow onto my skin, which I really love.
And look at the glow, please look at the glow. It looks so good. My skin looks so good, and you can just use this as it is and mix it with your foundation, and it will give you a glowy base. Sometimes I just use only this and go out for the market, and my skin looks so good. After that, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada setting spray on my face to just prep my skin before using foundation. It makes the foundation stay longer on your skin. Prepping your skin and doing your skincare is very important. So make sure you prep your skin well and hydrate your skin before using any makeup product. Next, I'm using PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 1.6. I'm just gonna use a one pump only. I don't use it's a full coverage foundation, so one pump is very enough for me. It's so full coverage foundation, and it gonna cover everything on your face, and one pump is more than enough. And always start with less foundation, and then you can increase the foundation if you need. So I'm just gonna blend with this foundation with this Bloom Beauty blender. Just gonna blend this well. Keep blending until you are satisfied with the makeup, that it is blended all over your face. And yeah, check everywhere and take your time. Don't panic when you do makeup, because otherwise it's not gonna look well. It's gonna make you look disaster if you do it in a hurry. So always take your time before doing any makeup. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I would love to answer any question. First spraying some setting spray and then blend. It's gonna blend your foundation so well. Try it. The weather is looking so good today and I cannot go out because of lockdown in Gwalior. And I don't feel good because of that, but yeah, we cannot do anything other than staying at home right now and take care of ourselves, because that's very important right now. Just for some time, and this time will end soon. If anyone is stressing out because of this lockdown, just don't panic. This time is gonna end soon. And do whatever makes you happy. Spend time on that things. Read books, listen music, watch series. I watch series whenever I feel stressed out or something like that. Just make yourself happy. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade Sand 02 Sand Sable. Gonna use very light because it's already, the foundation already covered everything on my face and I don't want to use much. I'm only using where I have some pigmentation under my eyes, on under my nose, on my forehead, and wherever you have some darkness, pigmentation, just use concealer on that area and just blend that with your beauty blender. Blend your concealer foundation like this. It's gonna look much better. This concealer is so good. It's very affordable, something like something like 150 something, and it's cover everything on my face. It's a full coverage concealer. It's from Swiss Beauty. And the first shade from this concealer is dark, so the second shade is the lightest shade, so don't forget that if you buy this concealer online. And just press gently when around your eyes. My base is all ready now, and I'm gonna set this with loose powder. I'm using PAC HD loose powder for setting my face today, as I have dry skin and I like dewy glowy look. That's why I only use powder on that area where I crease, like under my eyes. Just press the powder lightly. And for oily skin, you guys can use powder all over your face. Just don't use much powder, otherwise it's gonna look cakey. Lightly press the powder in your eyes and wherever you get oily. I get oily on my T-zone area little bit. So next I'm gonna use Nicka eyeshadow palette. The palette name is Autumn Spice, and it's a very affordable palette. It's only just 300 rupees, and the pigmentation is quite great as for the price. First I'm gonna use this shade from the palette onto my crease. I'm using this palette for the first time, so let's see the pigmentation of this palette. Color is blending easily. I'm just gonna blend this shade until I'm satisfied. I recently bought this palette from Nicka in the summer sale. Next I'm using this dark brown shade, and I'm gonna press this on my lids. I'm gonna build this shade onto my lids until I'm satisfied. Using this brush to blend everything together. Using this shade for blending all the shades together. For eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. It has a very precise tip. For my waterline, next I'm using this Kohl Sugar Kajal pencil, and I'm just gonna use this on my upper waterline. I'm using this dark shadow on my lower line. And now the eye look is complete. Next I'm using this Sugar Contour Mini Blush in the shade Mauve Marvel 03. It's very pigmented and I seriously love this blush. The nose as well. For highlighter and contour, I'm using this Sugar palette. Using this contour shade from this palette, I'm just gonna lightly blend this shade on the circular motion. It's gonna give your face some sculpt look. It's gonna use this on my jawline as well. It's gonna make your face look smaller. For lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. Such a beautiful shade it is, and it smells so good. This lipstick smells so good. Next I'm using LOreal Lash Paradise Mascara. In the last I'm using this setting spray from Faces Canada to set everything on my face. Now I'm open my hairs. So makeup is ready and this is the final look which I created today, and it's looking great. I really like the brown tones. It's really looking so good. So tell me in the comment section what do you guys think about this makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and comment and tell me what you think about this makeup look. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.